Hello, everyone. So, today we are exploring the lives and works of Nazim Irkal, often regarded as the father of modern Indian English poetry. Through his wit, realism, and deep understanding of urban Indian life, Irkal transformed Indian English literature and inspired generations of writers. So, let's test our knowledge with some interesting MCQs about this remarkable poet. Let's start with the first question. Nizam Miracle is known as the father of dash poetry in India. Is it romantic poetry, modern Indian English poetry, Victorian poetry, or metaphysical poetry? We all know the answer. I just mentioned it, and the answer is modern Indian English poetry. So, Nessie Miracle is considered one of the pioneers of modern English poetry. He gave Indian poetry a new identity through themes of urban life, human relationship, and Indian experiences. तो उनके ज़्यादातर themes में urban life, human relationship और Indian experience जो है देखा गया है. Moving on to the next question. In which year was Nizam Miracle born? Was it 1910, 1924, 1935, or 1947? And it is 1924. So he was born on 24 December 1924 in Bombay. He became a major figure in Indian English literature. Which poem is written by Nizam Miracle? कौन सा पोएम है इसमें से चारों में से जो निजी मिरेकल ने लिखा है नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन द रोड नॉट टेकन द वेस्ट लैंड और द डोवर बीच and it is one of the most important poems which he has written, right? We have all read about it, and the answer is Night of the Scorpion. So it is one of the most famous poems of Miracle. It portrays an Indian village experience and the relationship between superstition and human compassion. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाइट ऑफ द स्कॉर्पियन जो पोयम था वो किस कलेक्शन के अंडर पब्लिश किया गया था Was it the exact name, The Unfinished Man, A Time to Change, or Hymns in Darkness? And the answer is the exact name. So it was published in the poetry collection, The Exact Name, in 1965. Next question. Nizam Miracle worked as a professor at. In which university did he work? Was it University of Delhi, University of Mumbai, Oxford University, or JNU? It was University of Mumbai. He taught there and influenced generations of students and writers. Which theme is frequently found in Nizam Miracle poetry? So, जो उनका थीम है Miracle की पोइट्री का थीम ज्यादातर क्या रहा है? Is it mythological heroes? Is it urban Indian life, medieval warfare, or fairy tale? The answer is urban Indian life. तो उन्होंने loneliness, आइडेंटिटी रिलेशनशिप एवरीडे अर्बन एक्सपीरियंस इसके बारे में काफी लिखा हुआ है और उनकी मेन जो थीम्स है वो यही इसी पे बेस्ड रही हैं. Which poem presents the character of a confused Indian speaker? Confused Indian speaker कौन सा जो प्ले है जो पोएम है उसमें देखा गया है? Was it Enterprise, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S., The Patriot, Poet Lover, or Bird Watcher? And the correct answer is The Patriot. So it uses जो Patriot है वो उसमें humor भी है, irony भी है to reveal the weakness and contradictions of a self-proclaimed patriotic speaker. So the one of the important question is निजी मेडिकल को साहित्य अकादमी अवार्ड उनके कौन से वर्क के लिए मिला हुआ है? Was it the exact name, Later Day Psalms, The Unfinished Man, or The Hymns in Darkness? And the answer is Later Day Psalms. So he received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 for this poetry collection. Next question. Nissi Miracle's poetry is famous for its use of. So, what is it famous for? What is the poem famous for? Is it difficult classical language, simple conversational style, only Sanskrit vocabulary, or epic style? So it is famous for simple conversational style. So everyday जो language है वो use किया हुआ है Indian expression के साथ जिसे जो poetry है वो ordinary life से relate कर सके. Next question. Nizam Miracle's first poetry collection was. तो first poetry collection का नाम क्या है? A Time to Change, The Exact Name, The Unfinished Man, or the third? And the answer is A Time to Change, which was written in 1952. ये इनकी first poetry collection थी और इनकी entry थी Indian English poetry में. Who called Nizam Miracle a major figure in English poetry? किसने नजीम मिरेकल को एक मेजर फिगर जो है बोला है इंडियन इंग्लिश पोएट्री में? Was it मुल्क राज आनंद, ए के रामानुजन, वी के गोकाक और राजा राव? And the correct answer is V.K. Gokak. Okay. Next question. Which quality makes Nizam Miracle's poetry unique? So, which is that quality जो Nizam Miracle की poetry को सबसे unique बनाती है? Is it use of any classical mythology or connection with everyday Indian life or complete rejection of Indian culture or use of only romantic imagination? And the correct answer is connection with everyday Indian life. So, Miracle transformed ordinary experiences, Indian situations, and urban lives into meaningful poetry. The next question is background casually is an autobiographical poem of. तो जो background casually है वो किसका autobiographical poem है? Is it Kamla Das, Nizam Miracle, A.K. Ramanujam or Jayant Mahapatra? So of course we are doing MCQs related to Nizam Miracle. So the answer would be of course Nizam Miracle. So you should remember it is background casually and it is an autobiographical poem by Nizam Miracle, and it casually presents his personal experiences, identity, and relationship with Indian society. Okay. Next question is which poem is not written by Nizam Miracle? So इसमें से कौन सा वो poem है जो Nizam Miracle ने नहीं लिखा है? A Morning Walk, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S. and Introduction, The Railway Clerk. We know Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S. अभी हमने देखा है कि वो लिखा हुआ है मिस्टर एरिकल ने. A Morning Walk and The Railway Clerk. और इसमें एक एन इंट्रोडक्शन है जो किसी और ने लिखा है. यू टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि एन इंट्रोडक्शन किसने लिखा है. So it, of course, the answer is an introduction which was written by Kamla Das, not Nizam Miracle. Okay. So the next question. Nizam Miracle's poem The Railway Clerk focuses on. जो railway clerk है वो किस चीज पे फोकस करता है? So इसमें आप eliminate भी कर सकते हैं आंसर बहुत easily. A king's life say a middle class employee struggle, a religious journey, or a historical event. So of course we know it is not king's life. It is not a religious journey, not an historical event either. So the answer is a middle class employee struggle. तो एक जो poem है ना वो frustration दिखाती है ड्रीम्स के बारे में, लिमिटेशंस है एक ऑर्डिनरी रेलवे क्लर्क के बारे में. जो पोएम है प्राइमरीली इसी चीज पे फोकस करती है. So which poem of Nizam Miracle uses Indian English with humorous effect? Humorous effect के साथ कौन सा Nizam Miracle का poetry है जो हमने देखा है? The Patriot, Enterprise, Background Casually, or The Morning Prayer? And the answer is The Patriot. The Patriot uses Indian English expressions and satire to reveal the speaker's contradictions. One of the important question, the poem Night of the Scorpion is written in which form? Night of the Scorpion जो है किस form में लिखा गया? Is it sonnet, dramatic monologue, narrative poem or ballad? Night of the Scorpion is a very nice poem, right? Like I've explained it in my channel. Just go, please go through it. So Nizam Miracle's first poetry collection was narrative poem. So the poem narrates a childhood memory of the poet's mother being stung by a scorpion and the villagers' reaction to it. Which collection contains the poem The Professor by Nizam Miracle? So there's this poem, The Professor, and in which collection does that contain? Does that include? The Exact Name, Hymns in Darkness, The Unfinished Man, A Time to Change? And the answer is The Hymns in Darkness. So it's a famous poem. The Professor is a very famous poem where Miracle creates a humorous portrait of an Indian professor speaking in Indian English. Which poem by Nizam Miracle presents the conflict between tradition and modernity? So, which poem is it? The Patriot, the Enterprise, Knight of the Scorpion, or the Railway Clerk? And the answer is Enterprise. Enterprise reflects the journey of human ambition and the tension between ideals and practical realities. Moving on to the last question. Irical was the editor of which literary journal? Was it Quest, Indian Literature, Criterion, or the London Magazine? And the correct answer is Quest. I hope you got all your answers correct. Let me know in the comment section how many marks did you score. Have a great day. Take care.